If you need to update your phone number on Biz2Credit, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your contact information is current. This will help maintain effective communication regarding your account. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Biz2Credit website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready to access your profile. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section in your dashboard. This is typically found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Locate phone number section. In account settings, find the section that displays your current contact information, including your phone number. This may be labeled as contact information or something similar. Step 4. Update your phone number. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, look for Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure that a new phone number is saved in the system. By following these steps, you can easily change your phone number on Biz2Credit. Keeping your contact information up to date is essential for receiving important updates and communications.